mean, if you're gonna be in an EV, you might as well be in one that's, you know, this powerful, right? Yeah. That's how I look at it.
This is all-wheel drive, and this.
It is. I actually just turned it off. So this model, the Scat Packs, you can be in rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
That's what I was just talking with my partner before you all got here about doing this thing. It's a tactical course, but yeah, they're standard all-wheel drive. The RT model that's not the Scat Pack, it's only all-wheel drive. You don't have all of these performance features.
That's not something that can be like downloaded or changed after the fact. That's
I don't know.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. No. It's the Scat Pack. This car and this is a track package as well. So you're in absolutely the fully loaded variety. All right. Nice.
Not too bad. What's the range on this? Like normal everyday drive.
So 216 in the track pack.
Yeah.
If you don't get the track pack, but you still get the Scat Pack, it's 241. And then if you do get the RT, which is the that's not the Scat Pack. That one gives you 308. That one is 496 horsepower. But yeah, this one will do 241. But if you have the track package like this one does, it's down to 216. But again, this is as absolutely, you know, motorsport ready as it's got everything you need between drifting, drag racing.
It'll do a donut and all that. With
yeah, I want to try. I'm trying to do a little bit of it. I'm gonna give this person some room. You can't really do all that here.
Yeah, no, I understand. Have you had time to drive it on the street and just...
Man, not yet.
We
did this in Chicago for 2 weeks, and then I was hoping they would let me drive it here. But I had to go to the dealership.
Do you have any special licensing or anything like that to become a driver for these guys?
I went to the BMW, the BMW driving school for that.
You have to have some sort of qualification there.
Oh, so I have over 1 million miles on the road. I have a CDLA for semi-truck driving.
Oh, okay.
I have a motorcycle license, but I mean, we had to audition for it. But I mean, for this kind of driving, I went to the Spartanburg, South Carolina BMW performance school.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think rear-wheel drive is where it's at in this car.
For this course, yeah.
Heavy stow? Maybe not, but other than that.
Right. Well, I hope you guys like the car.
Yeah, you did. Thank you very much for